Yes.
Surprise. It's the biggest surprise in prime time.
Okay, fine. We have a big surprise, but we'll like during the JD in Love concert, we will be revealing or announcing the surprise for the finale. So we hope to see you there at the concert. I hope you're excited as we are, and thank you for coming.
Of course, from Dream, talagang wala na po na grant na interviews because they need to go on rehearsal. Rehearsals na po.
Direct picture.
Again, see you on Saturday, Feb 20 at the Araneta Coliseum for the Jaden and Love concert.
Dito naman po.
Thank you to all the members of the press, to all our vloggers and TV crew. Maraming salamat.
James.
And the finale week po ng Outwall ay mapapanood simultaneous worldwide. That's next week po. Worldwide mapapanood ang Outwall finale except America. So Middle East, London, because of the time, Keme.
Guys.
Okay.
Ewan ko. Ayaw magpakyat eh.
Okay, thank you.
Ito. Ikaw.
Thank you, tita. Thank you. I'll just give it to you.
Okay.
James. Nadine. Nadine, happy 18th
To
birthday,
all the
Carla.
members of the press, punta lang po kayo sa my right side ng stage. Sa press and vloggers, please proceed to the right side of the stage. Maraming salamat.
James.
Ayan po, Outwall finale week will